NOLA Gent here at Flora-Bama for the Miss Firecracker 2023 Bikini Contest. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to NOLA Gent. Let the good times roll. So my pal the Major and I showed up here bright and early in the morning at Flora-Bama for the 2023 Freedom Run. Now we're back in the afternoon for the 2023 Miss Firecracker Bikini Contest.
Bikini Contest, bros! He set before he froze it. Naughty Major.
After showering up from the run, I put on my special beach uniform.
Oh look, it's the Major!
Y'all ready to have some fun? Who's been to Tuscaloosa before? Oh shit, she's here, never mind. Everybody say hi to Randy. I think it's time to introduce her. Hi, Randy. Tuscaloosa. What do you do there?
I study architectural engineering at the University.
There you go. Well, you're going to do well in your field because female architects are really good at digging up old shit. So we'll see you on round 2. Contestant number 1, give it up for Randy Cottrell. Mississippi in the house, y'all. Who's in Mississippi? Where are we at? Mississippi representative? Freelance bartender, motorcycle blogger. God, I love your tats. Oh, hold on. Patty. Okay, my wife's not here, so this is going to be good. Ashley, you ready? Bring it out, contestant number 2. Come on. Come on, girl. It's Ashley Victoria. Georgetown, Texas in the house. Who is my Texas folks? Yeah. All right, contestant number 3. She's all about the Texas in Georgetown, Texas. Retired Hooters girl loving life, Carla Hill. Also go to Hooters for the wings. Contestant number 4. Y'all having good time so far? I think we have, what do we have, 11 girl ladies today? 11, this could be good. Fairhope, Alabama's in the house. Local. You ready for this? Are you ready for this? Contestant number 4, come on. Crystal Bowman. To the winner today, $350 and then $200. That's 1, 2, and 3. And the top 3 going to come back later on for Labor Day to win $5,000 given away. That's what we do here. Contestant number 5 from Gulf Shores, Alabama. She's a local. Is Cassie Utterback. Contestant number 6 we are on to. USA Health. She loves fishing, the gym, hanging with the kids. Give it up. Contestant number 6 is Victoria Jones. She's having a good time, don't you think? She's having a good time. All right, here we go. More Texas in the house. There's my Texas people, hook 'em horns. You there? Operating room registered nurse. I got a rash that we're gonna have to look at after this because it just won't go away. She's out of Texas, contestant number 7. Come on, give her some love. This is Megan Burgess. Super obvious when your wife FaceTimes you when you hit end. Answer the damn call. Oh, I've seen it 3 times. Damn it. Same state. That's all right. We'll keep an eye on it. All right, here we go. We're going to roll on. In a minute. Dan Vogel, ladies and gentlemen, from Flora-Bama. Like he fixed it. Fixing that crap. Louisiana's in the house, y'all. Hell yeah, Louisiana's in the house. All right, we're gonna fix that on second round, probably. Okay, holy shit, it's baseball. I get it. Maybe 3. I'll give you 3. Contestant number 8 from Metairie, Louisiana. Come on, bring it out for 80 Becker. Louisiana in the house. Don't do the damn chant. We heard you the first time. That's all right. That's all right. We love you all. Louisiana, you know we love you. If you really want to feel love, go to the Big Earl show tonight. Yeah, he'll show you some love. For sure. Metairie, Louisiana in the house. She's an ICU nurse. Loves volleyball, weight training, bowling, and animal rescue. Come here. I love this bikini. Number 9, Sarah Claire. We're up to contestant number 10 from Houston, Texas. Come on, girl. Contestant number 10, Michaela. I just want to tell you that our next contestant on her future goals says Miss Flora-Bama 2023, so this is the start. It is opening the door. Hammond, Louisiana in the house. Contestant number 11, come on, it's Emily Benfield. Can you read? All right. There you go. On the punchline, I want you to point to that guy right there. Yep, on the punchline. There it is. Read it for me.
When 2 people have sex, it's a twosome. When 3 people have sex, it's a threesome. And now we know why this guy is called handsome.
victorious here. Come on, Ashley. Motorcycle blogger, freelance bartender. Come here. You gotta tell a joke. Oh, this is a good one, actually. You're gonna like this one. You ready? Never seen it before. Read it for me.
What's the difference between a joke and 3 dicks? Your mom can't take a joke.
Contestant number 3, come on. This is Carla Hibbs. She's out of Georgetown, Texas. Retired Hooters girl. Yeah. Come here. You gotta read this joke for me. You ready? Hold it far away. I know you don't have your glass.
I need my reader.
You got it.
What's worse than walking up at a party, waking up at a party and finding a penis drawn on your face?
What is it?
Finding out it was Trey's.
This is Crystal Bowman from Fairhope, Alabama. She's a local, y'all. What do you say about that? All right, you ready for your joke?
Sure thing.
Read it like you wrote it. Here we go.
Any golfers in the house? What's the difference between a Pro V1 golf ball and the G-spot? Millions of golfers will look for a Pro V1 golf ball.
It feels like you guys changed the beat up. Oh, this is good. All right, let's go. Cassie Utterbach, contestant number 5. Come on. Security at Phoenix 8. So you just walk down the street, pretty much. I like that. There you go. Here's your joke. You read it loud.
I recently found out Grandpa was addicted to Viagra pills. Sad, right? But no one is taking it harder than my grandpa.
Jones, property accountant. She's from Daphne, Alabama as well, fishing the gin, hanging with the kids. How are you, dear?
How are you?
Good. So we're going to figure out your rap name. Everybody has a rap name. Do you know that? The first part of your rap name is Lil. L-I-L, Lil. The second part of your rap name is the last thing you purchased. So what is your rap name?
Little Bushwhacker.
Bushwhackers in the house, y'all. Come on. Number 7's coming up. Here's Megan. Come here, Megan from Texas. Give it up for Megan. Operating room registered nurse. Are you ready for your joke, Megan?
Sure.
Okay. Read it like you wrote it. You ready? Go.
I wrote it. You know why the chicken crossed the road, right? To get to the other side? But why did the pervert cross the road? He was stuck in the chicken.
Give it up. Once a lot. That's all right. These jokes are not your fault. Come here, Andy. Come here. This is Andy Becker from Metairie, Louisiana. Your rap name starts with Lil. The second part of your rap name is the last thing you purchased. So what would your rap name be?
Little vodka soda wine.
The vodka soda lime is in the house. Give it up for Andy Becker from Metairie. All right, come on, let's do this. Sarah Trostclair, come here. She's also from Metairie, Louisiana. You guys made some noise last time for Louisiana in the house. You want to tell a joke? All right, there you go. You can read that one. Go ahead.
When a guy named Richard takes a selfie, what is that called? You got it.
Tell him, show him what you got right there, girl. That's right. Come here. Houston, Texas in the house. Michaela's here. Oh, this is actually a good one. I think you're going to like this one. Don't forget to pause after you read the first line. All right? Here you go. Read this and go.
What's worse than ants in your pants?
What's worse than ants in your pants?
Uncle.
Uncle. This is Emily Benfield from Hammond, Louisiana. She's here. Future goal is Flora-Bama 2023. All right, here's your joke. You ready to read it? Emily, go.
Why don't you ever see a pregnant Barbie doll? It came in a different box.
Emily. Judges, how we doing? You okay? All right. Everybody got their stuff filled out? You need any more views? Everybody good here? More views? Always get out here and get your shit going.
NOLA Gent here, and thanks so much for watching. Make sure to destroy this video right here and keep up with the fun